Good morning, grade 8th. How are you? So today we will read lesson number 8 from your reading book. Okay. So please take out your reading book. So this is your work also today. Once go with self reading. Okay. This chapter. Un cadeau magnifique. Okay. So this is your chapter name. Okay. So once read this chapter. Okay. And before this chapter reading, we should know the vocab of this chapter, then we can understand, because the chapter is very lengthy. So you have to see this vocab. Okay, once read this vocab carefully, then you can understand easily all the chapter. Okay, so read this vocab carefully once, everyone. Okay, and these verbs, this will be easy to learn, or this will be easy to read also. Okay, so you should know the vocab. Arete, assumer. So these all you have to read once. Okay, and these meanings. Okay, so after that, adjectives are there, adverbs are there. Okay, and some lines are given, meanings also there. So you have to read once all these, then next lecture I will explain all these. Okay, once read with the chapter I will explain all. Okay, but once you have to read this one, then you can understand the chapter. Okay, then for we will do in this chapter, page number 118, le passé recent. Okay, so the tense is used to indicate an action which has taken place or just happened. The meaning of the recent past is, so you have to read this one, okay, carefully, and you have to learn this one table. This is the formula of the venir verb. Okay, once you have to learn this one only. I am not saying you have to learn this complete, only learn this one, this verb. Okay, this is a venir verb. Okay, venir verb. Which the verb is written, this one. Okay, see one more time, only you have to learn this one. This is not a vegetative. Vegetative verb is this one. This is the vegetative verb. This is the venir verb. venir. Okay, so please learn this one. Jo viens, tu viens, il, elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent, elles viennent. Okay, so please read this one, learn this one, then you can understand this passé recent. So you have to learn this one. Okay, right, then we will do passé recent. So next lecture I will explain all these. Once you have to go with reading these all. Okay, do self reading. Okay, so next lecture I will explain all with meanings. Okay, thank you, and I will send PDF. You have to complete this. Thank you, take care everyone.